week we're discussing repetition, okay? And one of the most important things you want to repeat is you want to be able to repeat a program so that a user can say, yes, I want to do it again, things like that, okay? And let's start out by going back to our this is our, what is our vacation planner, huh? Our spring break planner, okay? And if we look at this program right now, okay, it's going to, right here it says you want it. Is it going to be sunny today? And you say, yes, it is. And it's going to be 85. So guess what? I'm going to the beach. Okay, beautiful. Be nice if I could say, no, no, I changed my mind and I want to do this again. Okay. So therefore, what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to add a couple things to this program. Okay. Notice how we already have a bunch of functions here that we're using for inputs and calculations and outputs. Okay. Makes it really easy because inside of our program here, what do we want to loop again? We don't want to loop again our variables here because we don't have to create those again, but we want to loop our input and our outputs here, okay? So let's create a loop right here, okay? And we want to do this at least once, okay? So therefore we do what they call a post test, okay? Start out by putting do in front of it. And at the end of here, we're going to say loop until, and let's say do again. Okay, let's create a variable called do again is equal to false. Okay, like that. Okay, now of course we get an error because we have to create a variable up here. Okay, do again. I'm sorry. And just make this true, okay? So that, yes, we want to do it again until we say, no, we don't want to do it again, okay? And now we're going to do one other thing. We're create another variable here, dim something as a string, okay? And I'm going to say input value as a string. Let's say equals nothing for now, okay? Like that. Okay, we got our loop here. Now the thing is, it's going to loop, loop, loop. The trouble is we want to be able to break out of this, okay? So somewhere's in here, what we want to do is we want to put a little prompt in here, okay? And we want to say console.write. And we're going to say um, um, do. Run again. Oops, quotation mark. And let's tell them we want a Y slash or N, okay? And a colon, a couple spaces, and like that, okay? Do you want to run again, okay? And then we're going to return that to our input value, okay? Input value is equal to, and then console.writeLine. Okay, and make this to upper. I always put to upper in here, okay? What that does is that if I type in a lowercase n, okay, then it automatically makes it a an uppercase n, okay, which is kind of nice. Okay, here we go. And let's see if we're going to do if input value. Oh, right there, input value is equal to a capital N. Then, okay, what are we going to do? If it's a no, then we're going to say our do again is equal to false, okay? Like that, okay? And so then it won't do it again, okay? And then else, do again. Actually, we don't have to put anything else in there, do we? Because it is do it again, okay? That's good, okay? Now let's run it again, okay, and see what happens. Okay, here we go. It's going to be sunny today, yes. And it's going to be 85, going to the beach. Okay, Do you want it to run again? You may want to put another line in there, okay? I'm going to say yes, okay? Here we go. Is it sunny today? No, and it's 55 degrees, okay? Cold and cloudy, oh boy. Now I'm going to say no. And that gets you out of the program, okay? The cool thing about doing just the no in here, okay, is that if I were to, yes, and 88 degrees, and if I just hit enter, okay, it automatically does it again. Sometimes that's a little helpful when you're writing your programs, okay? And so once again, no, and let's make it 0 degrees out. Oh boy, it's really cold. And I'm going to say no, okay? Once again, to do that, you look for just the N and don't worry about anything else, okay? But anyway, just this do up here, we create a couple variables and do, and then this right here, okay? Right here is all you need to loop again, okay?